Okay, so git branch sort order controls the sort order for branches, and you have two options. You have the committer date or alphabetically. So let me show you what this looks like. So we have a repository here. It's set to committer date, which means that you will have, let's look at these origins because these ones won't change. So we have testing, master, and head. Why do we have this order? Because head was the first one, master was the second one, and testing is the third one, right? So testing was the last branch created on this repository. So it's showing first. Alphabetically, we'll change that order, right? So if you click it again, you have head, testing, and master. Why? Because the H comes first, then the T, then the M. Now, I do enjoy seeing the committer date order because I want to see the last branches that I created first, right? Because usually you're creating a new feature or testing something, and the branch that you're most interested in is usually the last one you created. So I'm going to leave this one with committer date.